Welcome traders. It is 3rd of May 2024 and I'm gonna talk about my market prep for Nasdaq Futures. First off, I'm gonna start with the daily chart, and here we can see that the market has been going up from November, and we got into a range zone which is between here and here. Let me just get my drawing tool. So we've been in this range for about 2 months, and we broke it on mid-April. We started at one time framing down, and we found buyers at about 17k. Since then, we tried to go back into this range, and until now we've been rejected like once here, twice, 3 times, and now this is the 4th time. With major news being released, we had FOMC earlier on Wednesday, and today we had non-farm payrolls. The market is now free to put in cash or sell, whatever they're likely going to do. So we're gonna discuss that and see what are the potential scenarios. But as we can see on the daily, we are just in this new range for now. Okay, let me see. This is a volume profile and TPO chart on RTH session, and I'm gonna look at yesterday to see what happened. So I'm gonna use this. So we had an open test drive starting from about 600. We tested that zone and we sold off for the first hour. So we established the IB from 600 to 385. Then we left these single prints, and this is basically an excess now. So the excess begins at 440 till 385. So 445, 385, about 60 points range. And the market just was ranging between 570 to 480 for about 2 hours. As we can see, that was a balanced area here, so above the balanced area from Wednesday, and then it broke IB and started one time framing up for the rest of the day until the session close. So if we look at the bigger picture, we can see that important areas are $9,800. We had a single print, but we took that with arrows. And the next big area of importance is this high here, basically the 18K millennial figure. We have low volume area and single prints. We have also this balanced zone here, as we can see. Let me draw it with this. Let's draw it with this. We have this balance zone here, and we have this balance zone here. So the market did some auctioning here, and basically we've been selling off the first time, and now we retested that and we sold off again, but we made a higher high here and here. We can see that the market has been going higher, and we didn't really break this low, and we actually established a one-time framing an excess here. So this is an excess in my opinion, and the market rejected these prices and went up. We will open with gap, which right now we are about this area here, just below these crucial the crucial low volume area. So what are the scenarios for today? In my opinion, the market could basically what could happen is the market goes back. So here we test, but it finds sellers again, and we go and we test the news, which were at, let me see, the news started at 1760, so about here. So the news started here, so I expect the market, the first scenario is the market going back here, finding buyers, and then retracing back this move and going into this balanced block here between 300 and 1800, 18300, and resting here. This is my first scenario. The second possible scenario is I need to delete those. We don't even test this, and we just continue on, like with an open drive, and we just grind this and have basically a trend update. So this is scenario number 2, trend update, going back into this block. This is the bullish case. Now the bearish case will be similar to the first one, but we go down, we basically test, we go down, we are unable to keep going up, and we wanna just return to this balance zone here, which we established yesterday. This could happen due to the non-farm payrolls, which are kind of they show some weakness in the economy, so there might be some market participants that would not like those numbers, so they want to sell or hedge. So we could see this as a third potential scenario. And the fourth potential scenario, in my opinion, just we test this. We go here, we do some range here, get denied, and we just stay in between this balance zone here with doing some work here. Either one to me is possible. Well, while I think the bullish case might be the most likely, although I wouldn't really say which one will happen. I just think like we have very good momentum and we just might continue on with it. So that's it for Nasdaq. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a profitable day and a happy weekend. Take care all, and